Welcome to Open It Up. My name is Yusuf. Today we're gonna open up the transmission of a car to learn what's in it. The car is 2010 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 liter turbo engine. The car is right behind me here. I will introduce about the car in the next segment. As I was working on the car, I have visitor. I let you see the visitor. So as I was working on the car, a bear came to visit me. You can see the bear is on the tree. I don't know male or female, but this came within 20 feet or 7 meters. Look very scary. My dog is barking at the So I went online to order the scanner. It's called Blue Driver scanner. Come in a nice box. I should open it up. And I plug this into the reader. Every vehicle after 1996 has the port for this plug in. You can plug it in. And I download into my phone and able to diagnose what's wrong with it, which the Blue Driver gave me the result that something wrong with the transmission. That's why I'm sure that I will have to take out the transmission and buy either the second one or have a transmission rebuild. In the meantime, I open up the transmission and learn what's in there. This kind of vehicle, it has the DSG, meaning direct shift gear transmission, and has 6 speeds. And I was on the highway, and the vehicle stuck on gear number 3, and the engine light come on. So the RPM start to scream up to 3500. I can step on the gas. It could go very fast, but it doesn't pick up the speed as the vehicle that run on a normal smooth transmission. Luckily, the vehicle has the function that I'm able to change into the manual and able to read the gear display on the screen. Right away, it's show number 3. I then shift the gear into 4, 5, and 6. The number on the screen change, but the physical part in the transmission doesn't change. So I know something wrong with the transmission. That's why we are going to open up the transmission and learn from there. So follow me and come along, and we'll learn from it. Okay? Thank you for watching. So this is the vehicle. 2010 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 liter. The body is in excellent shape, outside and inside, no rust. The reason is because this vehicle was imported directly from Germany into America, California is to be exact. The lady who owned it keep in a very good shape. Right now the car has about 192,000 k. Everything else look good. Except the transmission. So what I did was remove the wheel, remove the cover here, remove the control bar, and also remove the bolt for the lower control arm. This way, this part can be easily moved in and out, and I have disengaged the gear, the right shaft, and from the transmission. This is the transmission. We're gonna wrap it up and open it up and learn what's going wrong with it. toolkit. Wheel been removed. I got enough tool here. I got all the ratchet, and also the car is already on the pit and on the jack and ready to work on it.